Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you some of the best student discount services in Japan for international students. These services can help you save money on daily life, study, entertainment, and commuting. Before you sign up, make sure to check your school email address and your student ID. Also, prices and eligibility can change, so always check the official website before applying. First, let's look at daily life and entertainment services. Prime Student is one of the most useful options. It offers a 6-month free trial, and after that, it costs only 300 yen per month. Spotify Premium Student is also popular. It has a 3-month free trial, and then the monthly fee is 580 yen. Apple Music also has a student plan. Eligible students can use it for up to 48 months, and it may include Apple TV+. YouTube Premium also offers a student discount plan, but you usually need to verify your student status every year. Next are study and productivity tools. Microsoft 365 Education can be free if your school email is eligible. This is very helpful for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Notion for Education also offers a free Plus plan for eligible students. Adobe Creative Cloud is great for students who need design, video editing, or creative tools because the student discount can be very large. GitHub Student Pack is especially useful for students learning programming or tech skills. It includes free tools and learning benefits. Now let's talk about commuting and campus offers. If you commute to school every day, the JR Student Commuter Pass can help you save a lot of money. Before buying it, check what kind of student proof is required, such as a student ID or school certificate. For Canva Education, K through 12 students can often use it for free. University students should check whether their school has campus access or a school contract. Also, some universities offer extra student benefits through your school email, so it is always worth checking. Finally, here are a few tips for applying. Use your school email whenever possible. Prepare your student ID or proof of enrollment. Be ready to re-verify your student status through services like SheerID, and check for price changes every year. If you are a new student in Japan, a good starter set is Prime Student, Spotify Student, Microsoft 365, and the JR Commuter Pass. These 4 can help you save money from the beginning of student life in Japan. Thank you for watching.